Hi there. I am Hygienist the Hygiene Horse, and I am going to teach you about good hygiene. Kindly subscribe to our channel at Sparkle Kitties. Let's go! Today we are going to learn practices of good hygiene that keeps us clean and healthy. These include flushing the toilet, washing your hands, taking your bath, brushing your teeth, and being clean in general. Soap, water, brush, paste. These are our friends that are going to help us fight the monster group of bacteria that want to infect us and make us sick. Now let us look at the good hygiene. Flushing toilet. When you pee in the toilet or poo in the toilet and leave without flushing, let us see what happens.
This toilet is dirty. We are going to infect anyone who sits here and make them sick. Ha ha ha!
But when you flush the toilet after use, the water flushes the bacteria away. Without the bacteria, the kids are safe, healthy, and happy. Always flush the toilet after you pee or poo in it to drive the bacteria away and keep you clean and safe. Now let's look at the good hygiene. Wash your hands. Your hands could be dirty whether you can see dirt on it or not. Let's see what happens when your hands are dirty.
These hands are dirty. We are going to infect this kid with dirty hands and make the kid sick. Ha ha ha!
Thankfully, we have our friend soap and water to help us fight the bacteria monsters. All we have to do is to wash our hands with our friend soap and water, and they help us drive the bacteria monsters away. This makes us clean, healthy, and happy. Let's see when we are to wash our hands. When you play outside or use your hands to touch objects outside, you should wash your hands. After using the toilet, you should wash your hands. Before you eat and after you eat, you should wash your hands. When you return home from school, you should wash your hands. Whenever you come from outside into your house, you should wash your hands because there are lots of bacteria outside. Always wash your hands with our friend soap and water by rubbing your hands with soap and placing your hands under running water to keep them clean and scare away bacteria monsters that make you sick. Now let's look at the good hygiene. Take your bath. When you do not take your bath, let's see what happens.
This body is dirty. We are going to infect this kid with dirty body and make the kid sick. Ha ha ha!
But taking your bath invites our friend soap and water. They fight and drive the bacteria monsters away.
Oh no! Oh no!
And this makes us clean, healthy, and happy. Let's look at when we are to take our bath. When you wake up in the morning, you take your bath. When you return home from school, you take your bath. After you play outside, you take your bath. Before you go to bed at night, you take your bath. Taking your bath is like washing your hands with our friend soap and water, but this time it's not just your hands, but all parts of your body. You take your bath by rubbing watery soap all over your body, scrubbing your body, and applying water on your body. Take your bath to keep you safe from bacteria monsters and make you clean and healthy. Let's look at the good hygiene. Brush your teeth. If you do not brush your teeth, this is what happens.
Great! This mouth is dirty. I love it here. We are going to infect it so it has bad breath, and the bad breath kid's friends will run away from the kid and the kid will get sick. Ha ha ha.
Thankfully, we have got our friend's toothbrush, toothpaste, and water. When you brush your mouth, you invite our friends to help fight and drive the bacteria monsters away.
Oh no.
And with a fresh breath, your friends will like you and want to play with you. You brush your teeth by applying toothpaste on your toothbrush, making it wet and moving it up and down and side by side in your mouth. Brushing your teeth drives bacteria monsters away and gives you good breath. When are we to brush our teeth? When you wake up in the morning, you brush your teeth. Before you go to bed at night, you brush your teeth. Now let's look at good hygiene. Be clean. When you leave your toilet dirty, bacteria monsters are everywhere. You don't see them because they are small, but they are there. They will infect you and make you sick. But if you always clean your toilet, it will be sparkly clean, and you will become a sparkle kid. Bacteria monsters will stay away, and you will be healthy and strong. When you leave your room dirty, bacteria monsters will be everywhere to make you sick. But if you clean your room will be sparkly clean, and you will become a strong sparkle kid. When you wear dirty clothes, bacteria monsters will come and make you sick and smell, and your friends will run away from you. But if you wear clean clothes, you will be a sparkle kid, and your friends will always want to play with you. Always remember to flush the toilet, wash your hands, take your bath, brush your teeth, clean your toilet, clean your room, and wear clean clothes so you can keep the monster bacteria away and be clean, healthy, and strong. Thank you for watching and learning with me, Hygienist the Hygiene Horse. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe at Sparkle Kitties for more content like this. Goodbye. Join Boogie the Pig in our next video to learn about your community helpers. See you next time.